welcome to Under the Hood with Mike Garrison, author of Can I Borrow Your Car? I just wanted to encourage everyone out there that still gives a rip about human beings that we win. And when I say we win, I'm referring to business. Like, even with all the AI hype and all that kind of stuff, which I have certainly been a victim of myself, we win. And we win. Those of us that sell judgment, that really, really care about human beings, we win. But we only win if we're active, not passive. I am so freaking tired of all of the noise out there about how referrals don't scale. Like, the one presupposition that undergirds all of that bullshit is this: that you're sitting around hoping that you get referrals, just like you're back in high school hoping somebody gives you a call. Like, any marketing that's passive loses, and it's going to lose bigger going forward. So, just like with use of AI, just like with any email campaign, any social media campaign, any advertising campaign, what makes it work is knowing your ideal client, knowing where they are, and knowing how to contact them. And referrals win. If you sell expensive stuff to people with real money running real companies, referrals are the best way to get into relationship with them. Not the only way. Not the only way. It's the best way. And the reason is because what AI is going to do better than anything else is degrade trust. It is inherently, because it's run by companies that want to make money off of our behavior. It's run by companies that want to make money off our behavior. Inherently, it's going to prioritize what it does. It's going to, in fact, I can't wait until AI thinks AI is the best thing around if it doesn't already. So here's the deal. That's going to degrade trust massively. You're already starting to see stuff happening. Okay. It's already out there. When trust degrades, the value of referrals increases, because when you get to the end of your rope as a human being and you look at all these tools and you don't know what the hell you're going to do next, many of those people are going to want to talk to another human being. And a lot of them are going to reach out. And if you are the person that's known as a trustworthy professional services firm, you are going to win, and you're going to win massively. Does that mean you should be a Luddite and completely ignore technology and AI? Absolutely not. You should be running a strategy that is reasonable to make sure that you are not automatically, kneecapped or hamstrung by AI going forward. You should be writing, you should be doing videos, you should be doing things that make you AI friendly. If you wanted to really get ahead of the game and you had money, you would also look at a referral strategy combined with PR. And I mean public relations, earned media. I'm telling you, that's massive. If you've got a friend who's in PR, hire them on retainer now. Help them start preparing you and then getting you earned media, because those third party things are going to be gold, just like referrals. They're going to be gold because they're going to be seen as trustworthy. Remember, be real, be human, be authentic.